Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can log out of your WEBTOON account. So guys, if you have a different account that you want to use or you just want to log out of it, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and go to this page right here. And now once you're here, just tap on this option with your name on it. Go to that option that says logout right here with many options like subscribe, comments, creators, account, but the only option we need is logout. So once you tap there, you would successfully be logged out of your account. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. That's how you log out of your WEBTOON account. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.